When you first sign in, this is what you'll see. This is your main control panel, and down the side here you will see the options that help you set up your forum. Now the first thing we want to do is go and set up our configuration. Okay, so some of this you're not going to have to worry about as you've already set it up, but it gives you a second chance to change your site name and your site description if you want to. As you can also disable your board from here if you wanted to disable it for some reason. Then you can enable account activation. Either you can have no activation, which means they just are a member immediately. You can have the user activated, which means they will have to get an activation email, or you can have admin activation, which means you have to actually go in and set everybody to active status. You can have the visual confirmation, which means that they have to enter a code, and if you have any of these turned on, then you should use that if you want more security. Automatic logins are just what it says, allow users to be automatically logged in if they select that. You can allow them to send emails to each other via the board, so you just select what you want that to be. Flood interval is the number of seconds a user must wait before they can do another post. This keeps people from spamming your forum. Login attempts, that means it'll disable the account for a period of time, and here's where you set that lock time and for 30 minutes. Post per page, most of the time these are going to be fine for you, but you can set that as you like it. And then popular threads threshold set to 25 posts. Default style is sub silver, which is the only one it comes with to start with. Override user style, which means users can actually use a different style that's available to them if you allow it, but we only have the one in here right now. Again, our language and the date format and our time zone. gzip compression just compresses your forum, and pruning will actually take stuff out of your forum after it's a certain age. Then your cookies, usually you're not going to want to play with that. Private messaging, whether you want people to be able to PM each other on the board.